Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this old door. First I ran it through the table saw to square up the edge so it will fit in the doorway. It was a little larger than the older one. Then I took off the old trim. So I was left with this mess. Had to use the router to flush it up. Use the fence on the router. And I cleaned up my mess as I went. Did the best I could here. Then I trimmed off the top pieces just to get a flush edge. Took the 2x4 to the table saw and then the planer so I could square everything up. Just the rough by the freshly planed. Then I routed out the mortis. Got all my measurements, cut the tenons. Tuned it in a little bit with some planes and sandpaper. Tapped it in with some glue on it. Threw it in a clamp. So I think it came out pretty good. It's my first ever mortise and tenon joint. I used pine because that's what I had on hand. I think it should be fine. So just gotta wait for it to dry and then I can work on the rest. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.